Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs.
This is a mobile digital controller by Rexroth Hydraulics and is also used by Bosch for their purposes. Models such as this MDC1 are used in heavy construction equipment for gear switches and have multiple channels for different controls and configurations. These units often begin to short after some amount of time. We did a full rebuild for this unit and got it to power up again. Sometimes this is enough for a repair, but for a full in-depth diagnostic, the accompanying display is required. ERD has worked on Rexroth units for over 2 decades, and if further repairs are needed, our industry-leading 3-year warranty makes it so that you aren't cheated on your repair. So if you have issues with this unit, call today for your quote.